Livarno Lux LED push lights. My name is Andrew, guys, and today we have another unboxing review and testing of this product. Silver 2-pack included, on-off push button, included batteries, 3 years warranty. From Lidl, some specs here. Battery operated, can be placed anywhere, easy attachment with a self-adjustment base, large users friendly on-off push button, silver exterior, etc, etc. You can see 0.6 watt. We have 3 durable and energy saving LEDs, and let's see what it included inside. Nice case, everything is here. Of course, the manual, if you want to read it, is your choice again. We have 6 included Panasonic batteries inside. Come on, nice. There it is. Installing the battery, just take out this plastic. Just push it on off switch and the LEDs are turning on. Of course, we are going to install them, how they are lighting. And we have 3M stick, not going anywhere with this sticker. Well guys, here we are. I have installed it to my closet. As you see, it's lighting very well with no problem. Just push it and it's okay. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. If you want something like that to your closet, it costs only €5. Just buy it. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like it, like my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.